Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here with your April 2020 Flavors of the Month kit. So if you're not familiar with our kits, the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections each and every month. It will have cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with all of the wonderful, beautiful product, you're going to receive a sample of gourmet coffee. You'll also have access to 4 recipe cards for double page layouts designed by the design team. There'll be one for each one of the 4 collections. They'll give you cutting and assembly instructions as well as a full color photograph of the finished layout, so you'll be ready to create right away. You can also hop on over to the Facebook page and you'll find all kinds of inspiration there from the design team and your fellow subscribers. So this month, I am in love with the Flavors of the Month. It has so many gorgeous products in here. I love all of the colors, and this is another one of my favorite collections that came out this time around. So your 4 collections is Family Night from Cartabella. We have A Cherry on Top from Fancy Pants, My Favorite Story from Pink Fresh, and I Am from Simple Stories. So you're going to have plenty of product to scrapbook all kinds of memories. There's also 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with the Flavors of the Month. There's a cardstock, a pattern paper, and embellishment add-on. And there's also the Shots of Life, which is the pocket page kit, but it coordinates with your Flavors of the Month. So it is perfect to add on for more product and to have your kit go even further. So now let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these collections. First up from Cartabella is Family Night. This is great to document all of your evenings spent playing games, and right now I think there's a lot of game playing going on as we all are in isolation. So this is a perfect collection for right now. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of blue cardstock. The pattern paper is this one that has all of the different designs going around, so you could use that as a background or cut around each little individual one to create titles, subtitles, and little embellishments. And the back is this turquoise design. This one is called Family Fun Night. Then we have this one that is all of the little grid blocks of the different family members. So we got mom and dad and grandpa and brothers and sisters. The back is this text. Other things may change, but we start and end with family. The informality of family life is a blessed condition that allows us to all become our best while looking our worst. That is awesome. A happy family is but an earlier heaven. So great little family quotes. And this one is called Faces. Then we have this one that mimics the game of life. It has the little spinner and then the little markers and dice. The back is a 2-toned blue polka dot. This one is called Game On. Let's look at all of your pattern paper. And then your embellishments is the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have these that are little word labels, lots of large icons that are just going to be perfect to finish off your pages. Love the banner, always love banners. So it has a little bit of a retro feel with some of the icons, but definitely a lot of fun. So that is Cartabella Family Night. Next from Fancy Pants, we have A Cherry on Top. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper, that's all the yum, and it has all of the flavors of ice cream written out. And the back is this light blue design. Then we have Flavor Burst, which is this yellow sunburst. This would make a great paper for a background. And this one is a gray with paint splatters on the sides. So again, this would make a great background too. So good luck picking that one. We have this one called Sweet Floral, which is the little light blue florals on top of the pink. And the back is a red and white stripe that definitely makes me think of little ice cream shops. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of puffy dots here, so they will vary in the different colors. You'll also receive a third pack of ephemera pieces, so these will vary, but I got some numbers and the spoon, and then some little ones that have wording on them that's super cute, one that's great for a title. So you can tell lots of options here to scrapbook some fun summer memories, including ones about ice cream. So that is a cherry on top from Fancy Pants. Our next collection is My Favorite Story from Pink Fresh, and you're going to start with 2 sheets of wild berry cardstock. The pattern paper is this one. It's called Bloom and Grow. It has these beautiful flowers. I love how some are just the black and white, and then some have a little bit of that watercolor look to them. The back is a white drawn flower on that minty green. This one called Plant Kindness, again has beautiful soft florals on the white background, and the back is a yellow chevron. This one, Looking for Sunshine, is the big stripe, so you could cut these apart into just the different colors, strip like this so that you have all of them, or just using like maybe the blues in the color scheme apart. So many options with that paper. The back is a blue and white plaid design. So one more look at the pattern paper. Just gorgeous, gorgeous colors and a nice heavyweight cardstock from Pink Fresh. For your embellishments, you're going to get 2 chipboard frames. You're going to get 3 of the little chipboard flare, as well as some die cuts here and a row of enamel dots. Now all of these will vary, but this is what I got in my kit. So I love it when we have lots of different types of embellishments in our kits. So that is My Favorite Story from Pink Fresh. Perfect for everyday scrapbooking. Our final collection we're going to look at is from Simple Stories, I Am. I love everything Simple Stories, and this one does not disappoint either. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of cream puff cardstock, your pattern papers, this one called Blooming, which all of these beautiful flowers on the turquoise. The back is a pink ledger paper, which I always love ledger papers like this. It's great for backgrounds and also for journaling pieces. This one called Limitless, which is all of the butterflies on the cream background. And then we have a blue, green, and black plaid. And then this one called Strong, which is the different sizes of stripes and all of the different colors from this collection. And the back is this gold pattern. It's kind of a geometric design. So again, just beautiful colors in this collection as well. For your embellishments, you're going to get some gold puffy phrases, so these will vary, as well as a third pack of the ephemera pieces. So again, all of the embellishments will vary, but this is what I received in my kit, and yours will be very similar. So this is perfect to scrapbook about you, as well as all kinds of other memories. So one more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to come on over to the Scrapbook blog and the Facebook group for more inspiration and challenges that you can play along with and win some great prizes. Also, check out all the other items available in the store as well as the other kits and have them all added together to save on the shipping. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.